Alright. What is going on, guys? It's me again, Ray, and welcome back to another video, another upload of mine. But real quick, I just want to let you guys know that this video is an update video. And I know I haven't posted for only like, 2 days? And another disclaimer too is I'm not going to edit this video. So if I mess up any words or anything like that, it's just going to be part of the video. And honestly, this video is really for all the people that's been there with me since day one. Like the people that are currently subscribed to me, there's like 64, 65 subscribers. I don't even know. You guys are amazing. Obviously, you've subscribed to me because you guys love my content. I'm just gonna assume that you do. You enjoy what I say, inspire you, whatever it is. I just want to say you guys are amazing. I love you, and just keep doing your thing and whatnot, whatever you're doing. So, anyways, for the past 2 days, well, honestly, I think it was Sunday. I got sick, right? I got really sick. I caught a fever and I was just like sweating bullets in my sleep. It was insane. I even posted a video of, I think it was Pop 105, I don't know, one of those episodes where my mom had like an onion on my counter, whatever you call that, and it was just that bad, you know. But in that moment, I felt like I was out of sync. I'm not sure how to word this, but I wasn't in the right mindset, you know. I was like, oh man, something like, it's weird when I'm in like a very low time in my life or sick, whenever I get sick and I'm not in my motion where I do this and do that, I start to plot, I start to think a lot, and I have all of these ideas where I just want to execute on them, but I can't. And then when I can't do it because due to me being sick, I get flustered, then I get all up in my head, then I overthink, and then when I don't execute, I just feel like I'm wasting time. I don't feel like I'm productive. I just beat myself down, and I know that's like a very bad thing because I know I got like so much more potential than just bringing myself down. But obviously, this channel, you guys are seeing me document my growth through this channel as a videographer, and through all of the trials and tribulations, you guys are going to see that. And honestly, the realest people are obviously you guys that have been sticking around with me like right now, because this channel is only 3-something months old, right? 3, 4, almost going to 4 months old, right? So anyways, update video. What am I going to be posting on this channel? Same thing, like if you guys read my about section, those same exact videos, except I'm still trying to figure out, I've been writing things down in this notebook, and I've been asking my girl like, hey, give me some help at like when should I start posting these podcasts? Should I stick to a one format setting, meaning like I just have one section or a certain day where I post Pop Daily Podcast? Should I do daily vlogs? Should I do like tutorials on Tuesdays, stuff like that? Excuse me. And I'm still trying to figure out like if I should go with that flow. And honestly, I'm somewhat picking up on what I should do on something that I'll actually enjoy doing. Because honestly, with these Pop Daily videos that I've been doing, I feel like most of the videos that I've been doing is more in a vlog format. And I'm like, well, maybe I should start doing daily vlogs and then maybe pick out a day or two where I start posting Pop Daily podcasts on a certain day. I don't know, like tell me in the comment section below on when or when I should start posting these Pop Daily podcasts, because I still want to do these podcasts. I want to have a series of videos of podcast episodes each week and just continue to grow from there. But obviously I can't do them every single day because, like, you know, people get tired of watching the same thing, just trying to get some positive stuff going in their life. Like, no one wants to watch that all the time. Like, I kind of get bored of watching the same old thing, right? So I might start doing daily vlogs because it's always something different, you know what I'm saying? I could always talk about something so generic or something out of the blue, and you know, it's just gonna be like my life. You'll see like how my life is on, or maybe I should start, you know, vlogging while I Uber and ask the passengers if they want to be part of the vlog. I don't know, but yeah, that's pretty much what I've been trying to like plot. You know, just trying to figure out, okay, back to the drawing board. What do I need to do to, like, you know, pick this thing up? You know, and I feel like I'm just trying something else different. You know, I'm gonna try a different setting, different format, and just see how it goes. And if that doesn't work, back to the drawing board until it clicks to me, until I have a fluent motion. But yeah, honestly, ever since I got sick, I've just been in this rut, this mental rut. Like, oh my gosh, I feel like I'm not doing anything. And, you know, obviously when you're sick, you gotta rest, you know, and it's hard for me to rest because I have all of these ideas that I just want to, you know, become real. I just want to show it via videos or something, just because it's the way I channel out my ideas. It's the way I show my ideas in a way, in my own creative way, right? But yeah, I know I'm talking too fast and my mind is like racing right now because I have a lot of things to do and I knocked out a lot of my chores that I had to do today. I don't know, I just need to calm down and just focus. So anyways, this is pretty much the update video. I might take a hiatus and just like maybe not post for a week or two and see if it builds up any, you know, if anything different happens, if like the analytics goes up. I don't know, or down. I have no idea. I don't really pay attention to the analytics. I just post because I enjoy doing it. But I want to try something different because I don't know. I might end up. Oh, I even thought about getting like a laptop, a very dope ass editing laptop so I can edit on the go. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be able to just go over here, then go all the way back home, then edit. I just want to maybe edit on a spot. Like that's really what I want to do. Maybe just be a travel editor, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I'm still trying to figure this thing out. But anyways, yeah guys, this is just an update video. I might make another update video and tell you guys like what the whole plan is for this channel. I might, you know, all I'm trying to figure out is the schedule and how I'm going to do this and just execute on it, pretty much. And obviously I'm going to be vlogging behind the scene. I'm sorry. I'll be vlogging like throughout like certain days whenever I'm out with my girl and just have some content built up, and then when I finally post another update video or something like that, boom, I'll just have a bunch of content ready to post and ready to go. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got to say. I know I was talking kind of fast, but I love you guys. For all the people that's been here since day one, you guys are amazing. You guys are like the foundation, like the reason why I do this, and obviously there's more reasons to it, but you guys are obviously here to support me. If not, I'm gonna keep posting videos throughout the whole week, throughout the whole month, throughout the whole year, and just keep doing it, you know, because I enjoy doing this. Like I just enjoy it. I enjoy doing it. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys maybe like next week or two. I don't know. This is Ray signing out. Peace!